Okay guys, we have this very beautiful home actually. Very nice home. And well, we got bees up in this dormer. So let's go ahead and open up the roof and see if we can get them out. I did some shit. They're not on this side of the beam, they're on that side of the beam. What a waste. Bees tricked me. Went against their usual instinct. Little bastards. They just probably knew I was coming. Thought they'd take me on a ride. Apparently. Oh boy. Alright. Let's see how it is. But here we go. Oh boy. Oh my. Wow. You see what I have to deal with? Jeez Louise, well, we got work involved here. So let's go get our bag for honey and our box for brood so we can box these bees up and get this wrapped up. Okay guys, we see some brood. See it's peeking out right there. This is the outskirts are always honey. More inner is the pollen, and then it's the brood. Let's get it. I can't see nothing. Sun is shining. Hopefully you guys can see what's going on. Wow, look at that. Amazing. Normally don't want honey in the box at all because it creates a mess. So we're going to take it off. Brood only. Oh my. There we go. Look at that. Woo-wee. Beautiful piece. I'm going to take all that honey off. We want to limit honey in the box. Just cut it out. Look at this brood. This is fresh brood. There's eggs and larvae in here. You probably can't see it. My hands are always covered in honey, guys. The smell is so strong, guys. Of honey, really strong. Here's our little setup, guys. But there, we got some honey, some more brood, so much of it too. So I'm hoping it ends about right here. Fingers crossed. So let's keep pulling this honey out, bagging it up, and we're gonna leave the box here. Okay, guys, cleaned it all out. No more honey. Bag's already down there. We got this box. We're gonna put it right here, just right in that spot. Bees should find it really quickly, and we'll be back in about 5 or 10 days. Okay, all done. Here's what we got. Chaos down below.